Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel A Happier Me. I'm Parul and today I have something super exciting in store for you. I will show you how my 13-year-old daughter and I transformed her room into a space she absolutely adores. My daughter wanted her room to be in white and neutral colors with boho and Korean interior design vibes, and she wanted a chic decor. So we made this room according to her likings and it has come out exactly as she had envisioned. She had made a sketch for it and it looks exactly the way as she sketched it. So without any further ado, I will show you how her room looks. So this is how her room looks like, and you'll see this is the bed and this is her study table, and she has white, beige, light pink, green and brown accents in her room. This is her chandelier that she has transformed using these wooden beads, and you'll see these fairy lights all over. And this is her dresser, which has a big mirror, and you'll see on the top there are these lights that are actually color changing, and this is a very cute succulent that we got. And this is her organizer and her calendar. So you'll see she's a big fan of Harry Potter. This is a snake plant that we have, and her folders, binders and organizers for her paperwork for her school. And this is another view. Right over here you'll see that her chair is in pink velvet. This is her dresser. I'm going to open it and you'll see this is all her getting ready stuff, her jewelry, her makeup, and this is all her craft supplies in another drawer with some nail paints. She loves doing her nails, so this is all she keeps. And right here I'll show you another drawer which is part of her desk. This is a cute bamboo organizer we got from Amazon, and I think it looks really cute. And this is her first drawer where she's kept some stuff. And similarly all her other stuff is in other drawers. I like the gold legs of this chair. She is a huge Harry Potter fan, so these are all her collection. So you'll see the curtains are pure white and they're sheer, and these are color changing lights that looks really nice in the night time. This canopy we got from Amazon, and this is the shot I've taken in evening, so it looks a little bit darker as you can see, and I think these lights look very pretty on her bed with the sheer canopy. And I'll show you how these lights change color, and we have a remote that we could just use it to change, and these lights are also from Amazon. So this room was a complete transformation from how it used to look before, and this is one more the entire 360-degree view of this room. It's a small room, but I think it looks really cute for a teenager. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye!